How to use YouTube Shorts like a pro. A beginner's guide. What are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is a feature that allows creators to create short-form vertical videos ranging from 15 to 60 seconds, along with manipulating speed and adding music of choice. What is the YouTube Shorts launch date? The beta version of this feature is being tested right now, launched in September 2020, as a way to allow creators to be more creative and interactive with their viewers. Where can viewers find Shorts? YouTube Shorts can be found on the Shorts and Stories shelf created by YouTube or either directly on a creator's page. In order to become more discoverable, YouTube is encouraging creators to use the hashtag Shorts in the video title or description. Can you monetize YouTube Shorts? To monetize Shorts, it should serve ads, which is as of now not a provision for creators. However, the subscribers earned through these shorts do contribute towards eligibility for YouTube Partner Program. How to create YouTube Shorts. Head to the Create section, wherein you will find Create Shorts too. And holding the capture button allows you to record a video clip, or you can also record in segments. It comes with a huge library of music for creators to choose from. It allows you to manipulate speed of the video. Also, it comes with a timer and a countdown option to allow them to shoot hands-free. Shorts versus TikTok. YouTube Shorts is being compared with the short video platform TikTok because of its short duration, vertical alignment, features of music, speed manipulation, etc. How can creators get more views through YouTube Shorts? What sets YouTube Shorts apart from regular YouTube videos is that they don't perform in the similar manner. Rather, they blow up and gain views in a tremendous way in the first 36 to 48 hours. To conclude, we can assume that YouTube Shorts has proven to be a plus for both YouTube and creators. What remains to determine is the level of fruition it will reach. Feel free to share.